Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag. Let me ask you, have you got scraps? Lots of scraps? Are they out of control? Do you ever feel overwhelmed or stressed by how many scraps you have? Would you like me to help? Find strategies for managing and finding the scraps that are fun and easy to do. Would you like some help discovering how you can use them and inspiration there? With creative and unique ways to use scraps from your strips to your crumbs and the chunks in between, I've got solutions for you. I've got a free workshop. It's called Scrappy Possibilities. I'd love for you to join me. It's live on March 22nd at 1 o'clock Mountain Time. And there's a bonus if you join me for the live. So make sure you don't miss that. But if you can't make it because your schedule just doesn't work, it will be recorded and available for 1 month if you save your spot. So let me tell you, how do you save your spot? The link is in the description down below. Click on it and just go in and fill in your information, and you'll get the link and reminders if you subscribe as to when it's going to be, so you don't miss, because if your brain works like mine, you remember ahead of time, but right when it's time for it to happen, you have something else going on and it totally flies your mind, and then you miss it and you're kicking yourself. So make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss those reminder emails. So make sure you go to the link in the description below, save your spot, and come join me for a free hour workshop on the possibilities with your scraps. We'll take the stress and overwhelm out of them, and we'll give you fun and unique ways to use them. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.